Good evening to everyone. You know, Grandma can't ever be on time for anything. I am a whole day's late joining in on this challenge. Show me what you got. Reusing, recycling, DIY, open collab. Well, I don't know if I'm doing this correct or not. I didn't do really any DIY except putting some flower arrangements together. If that counts, and I didn't even show you how I did it. But let's see what Grandma did. And I'm joining in with my awesome friend, hosted Gigi Creation, and my co-hostess. Oh my gosh, I'm going to have to go over and see what all of them have done. As you see, I'm a whole day late. So sorry, my awesome friends can't ever be on time, but I've been so busy I couldn't get it done. Well, I hope you enjoy my two little projects I did. Something in the dining room on the table and something in the bathroom. Both of them I put together a flower arrangement from what I already had. But believe it or not, both these displays were put together from everything I already owned and had. Everything was something I already owned. Didn't spend any money, didn't buy anything. This is a great challenge to put myself through. Sorry, I'm late. Also, make sure you go check out these awesome creators and also check out the playlist. Here we have a cute little Easter display, and guess what? 0 cost. Nothing in here hasn't been used multiple times in the past. Nothing cost me anything. Everything's from a past post. I think it turned out pretty cute. What do you think? I know I probably could have done something a little fancier, but you know, I just wanted something simple. Something to make a beautiful little display. And let's move in and see what Grandma did. My best friend gave me this. Well, in fact, she gave me a pair of them, but I only used one. Maybe later down the road, we'll use the other one, and we'll use both pairs. They are different, and this is Mrs. Rabbit, as you can see. Isn't she cute with all her little rabbit babies around her? And of course, we did the little flowers. Thought they turned out super cute, and couldn't wait. Let me turn it around and let you see the other side. Here's one of the sides, and of course, eventually I'm going to redo this in a different flower arrangement. But this is what I had available at the moment. And here's Mama all by herself. Now, as you can see, I could have it either way. The flower arrangement looks fine on both sides. What do you think? Do you like this flower arrangement? Or do you like this one? I don't know. I think I like a little bit of the two pinks, but I only had one bush that had both, and the other bush only had pink. But you know, Grandma, what made it work? Because Grandma is not going to buy anything. Some more posies back there. Don't they look cute? And we have another package of posies over here. Like I said, these are my flower stash, so I didn't spend any money for them at all. I thought it turned out super cute. Let me know what you thought. Now, I got this beautiful piece from Annalie a while back, and it's already been in a post. And of course, my stylish bunny also was from a previous post. Look at all the detail work on this guy. He is so handsome and beautiful. Boy, does he have a sense of style. With his bow tie velvet and his velvet trim on his jacket. And look at all the workmanship on that vest. And the cute buttons, and he has his walking stick. Oh my gosh, is this guy not handsome? Now, this little duck, believe it or not, is probably like over 20 years old. And I've used him in past posts also. As you know, I had a whole bunch of pieces that went to this, but one of my granddaughters, when she was little, loved to play with them, and she lost them all, or broke them, who knows, because these are breakable. This is the only one that survived her. And this is a Mackenzie child piece, and I've had it for a while, and it's been in some past posts. These beautiful flowers over here are at least a year or two old. They've been used in past posts too. And of course, these beautiful pieces here I've had for a while too. I think I got this one at Home Goods. This one and this one I got at Dollar Tree. And of course, this little container I bought 2 or 3 years ago at Home Goods. And I'm going to tell you a bad little secret. I was going through my stash and I happened to find these bubblegum eggs. Needless to say, they're from last year. They're getting thrown away. So as soon as I get done shooting this video, they're going in the trash. But this was a challenge to use what you had and not spend any money. Let me know what you thought. Do you think I nailed it, or do you think I should have done something else? I'm sure I could have done a little better, but I'm running out of time, so I did the best I could. Let me know what you think. Now I have one more thing to share with you. Well, I changed a couple little things. Let me know what you thought, if I should have left it alone, or it looks better, or I still need to work on it. Okay, what did I do? Well, I added a little doily to give it a little bit more romance. I thought it looked sort of cute, and it goes with the pink theme. What do you think? And then, of course, I added a little romantic candle, and I thought it looked pretty good. Let me know what you thought, if I should have left it alone or adding a few extra touches. Nothing cost me any money, everything I already had. Now, me and my husband can sit down to a very romantic little meal. What do you think? And I think the candle reflects off of my beautiful porcelain flower arrangement so well. Don't you? It adds a little more color and interest to it. Well, leave me a comment. Let me know what you thought. Now, I could have lit the candle at the top. I don't know if you can see that I lit the candle. And this also came from that container when I bought it from Annalie. So the whole thing was included in the price. The base, the glass container, the candle. I think maybe I'm going a little overboard. Now I've added a doggone chair to the scene. What do you think? You think I went over the edge? Maybe so. Leave me another comment. You know I can't stop decorating once I start. Thank you so much, my dear friends, for all of your support, and thank you all for all the love you always give. Please leave me a comment. Did I go too far? Or it looks great. It wasn't new either. Grandma has so much stuff, she doesn't know what to do. Everything in here I've had for a long time too, and has been in previous posts. This here is a beautiful flower arrangement that I put together for this challenge. All the flowers I've had for some time, nothing's new. The container is from Dollar Tree. It is not new either. And of course, you know how much we love Annalie. And this one came from Annalie also. Cute little bunny, is it not? And I've had her for a while. Look at all the beautiful detail work on her too. She's real cloth, real ribbons, and everything about her is so beautiful and elegant. And of course, her beautiful parasol too. And of course, I have all these beautiful things at the base. Also from Emily. Do you think I spent a lot of time and money over there? Yes, I do. And why is that? Because she saves me a lot of time looking for things. Because everything she has is such good quality and so nice. So I wanted to share with you what I've done for this beautiful flower arrangement. And I repeat, all the flowers I've already had and owned. They're not new. Some of them are a year, some of them are 2 years old. And some of them are high quality, and some of them are from Dollar Tree. And you know, you can always find something from Dollar Tree to upcycle some beautiful pieces, just add a little filler. You don't have to spend a lot of money all the time. And you don't have to buy new things. A lot of the stuff I buy are used because I can't afford to buy everything brand new. Now, let's see what else Grandma did. Here are my Easter towels, and I bought these last year. Aren't they cute? I don't know if I showed everything in last year's post or not. Still trying to decide what towels to put with it. There was a slight little purple egg in there, and that's what the use of the purple towels are for. I tried it with white, and I don't know if gray would have looked better. Let me know what you think. Now, you see I have the white towel here because originally I put it up with all white. I didn't think it had enough contrast, so I used the purple instead with the white. Let me know if I should have just stayed all with purple, all with white, or maybe try a different color altogether. And here is where my hand towels go. And they're a little on the wrinkled side, but I just wanted to share with you how we redid the bathroom. Let me know what you thought. I know you can repurpose as much as you want, and I try to repurpose all the time. And because I only use these for the holidays, they're in great condition. You would have never known these were not new. And what do you think? Do you think I made a good decision or not about the purple and white with these hand towels? I'm still debating. But because it was supposed to be a free post, it'll have to come at a later date. I decided to add a little bit more romance to this and added my blue butterflies. I thought it did look pretty good. Let me know if you thought I should have left them alone or put them in. And of course, I added a little bit of candlelight to make it look a little more romantic in the bathroom. Don't you think it looks nice? I do. Let me know. Leave it in the comment section. Butterflies, no butterflies. Candlelight, no candlelight. You know, Grandma's always trying to jazz things up a little. And of course, zero cost.